everybody, it's Tioka with Vagabond Culture. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. That way you're notified every time I post a new video. Hey everybody, first and foremost, before we get started, thank you for everything. Thank you for your love. Thank you for your support. With that being said, if you love my channel, you've subscribed, you're going to love my Instagram. I took a hiatus from Instagram for a little bit, but now I'm back at it and it's going to be better than ever. All of the photos are my personal pictures that I have taken during my journey. So, before you continue on with this video, go to my Instagram and follow me. I will be posting weekly. Thank you so much. This is a two-part top travel app series displaying my most useful and convenient travel apps. If you missed part 1, my top 10 essential travel apps, make sure to check out that video and I'll also list it in the description area below. Visit It is a really cool free app that's available in 30 languages. You can see the top 10 most popular countries to visit, get your own travel map where you can list where you've been, where you currently live, and every place you would like to travel to. So far I've visited 12 countries, but that's only 5 out of the 10 top countries to visit outside of North America. I've only seen 4.8% of the world. So I have a lot of traveling to do and I'm so excited about leaving my mark all over the world. My goal is to visit every single country in the world. As you can see here, I visited 52.9% of the United States, which equates to 27 out of the 50 states. It also shows you where I rank travel-wise compared to other travelers. So as you can see here, simply go to your list, go down the line and select where you've been and where you would like to go. I love Turo. Turo is like the AirBNB of cars. Turo is a peer-to-peer car sharing company. The company allows private car owners to rent out their vehicles via an online mobile interface. In the search box, enter the city, airport, or address for where you would like to find the vehicle, and select the to and from dates you would like to rent the car. So for the next step, you'll see a list of different cars that are available in your area. Select the vehicle you desire. Take a look at the pictures to make sure it meets your standards. Also, check the reviews for the owner to make sure that you're happy with his reviews. Check out the amenities for the vehicle and don't forget to read the description. 2 of the most popular ride-sharing apps are Uber and Lyft. They have exploded in growth over the years and have gotten a lot of people around these days. In the Where To box, type in where you would like to go. The map will appear advising how far your Uber vehicle is. I have the option to choose an Uber X vehicle that seats 4 people or Uber XL that seats 6 people. Depending on what area you're using Uber, you will also have the option to carpool or schedule an Uber ride. I didn't display the Lyft app because though the user interface is slightly different, they are very similar. There are some differences, but for the most part the companies charge about the same rates, though the prices vary from city to city. Uber is in about 58 countries and 300 cities worldwide, while Lyft, though they're eyeing international expansion, is only available in roughly 46 states in the United States and in Canada. I love AirBNB and VRBO. They've taken my vacation stays to another level. Log on to VRBO. You'll have the option to see what you've recently viewed, getaways for the current season, and suggested locations to explore. Let's go to Tokyo. Scroll through the list of homes to see what suits you. You also have the option to filter your requirements. I went ahead and selected the 3-bedroom as an example. After selecting the property, you're able to view interior and sometimes exterior photos of the property, the amount of individuals it sleeps, the amount of bedrooms, physical beds, bathrooms, reviews, and much more. Even though VRBO has been around for longer and is very reputable, let's take a quick glance at AirBNB. AirBNB is amazing because it gives you the option to be a bit more creative and unique than VRBO. You have a wide range of unconventional homes such as tiny homes, beyond 1,500 tree houses, over 3,000 castles, not to mention home sharing and room rentals. Zomato is a restaurant finder and food delivery app with over 1 million reviews in the Google Play Store at roughly 4.5 out of 5 stars. It lets you search for and discover restaurants to eat out at or order in from. Browse the restaurant menus, photos, user reviews, and ratings to decide where you want to eat and use the map feature to guide you there. Splitwise is a free app that allows consumers to split expenses with friends. If people need to share the cost of a particular bill, Splitwise ensures that anyone who pays the bill is reimbursed. Postagram is a pretty cool app. You can send a personalized, real postcard using your own photos. I personally collect iron-on patches. I have friends that send themselves postcards from all over the world. You can upload photos straight from your mobile device or social media. Live Tracker is truly an amazing app and I can't wait to use it. If you're a traveler, storyteller, or adventurer, you have to have this app. At least try it out. Using Live Tracker is simple. You track your path and pin photos, videos, audio, and text entries to the map as you go along. Everything gets visualized accurately on gorgeous maps. City Mapper is the ultimate transit app, making cities easier to use. Check nearby departures in real time. Find the fastest route combining bus, train, subway, ferry, taxi, car share, bike share, and walk. Last but not least, we have the Weather Channel app. I prefer to use the Weather Channel app versus watching the Weather Channel or going online to the Weather Channel website. As you travel from city to city, state to state, country to country, continent to continent, you're able to monitor the weather in each of these locations at all times using this app. You'll also have several days worth of forecast down to the hour. Never get caught in the rain again with this powerful free mobile app for all of your devices. I have to give a shout out to my dear friend Verena Travels. In the first travel video I posted, she shared some concerns with me in reference to the security and safeness of applications, so I just wanted to shed some light on it. Nowadays, you're able to download apps to almost any device, whether it's a cell phone, laptop, desktop, or anything. While these devices come preloaded with some apps, there are over 500,000 apps available to you using various application stores contingent on your device. Because all of the distribution platforms allow independent developers to publish their own products, this makes us more susceptible to maliciousness. Nowadays, our devices come equipped with internal security software, but there will always be hackers. To further your peace of mind, I suggest downloading antivirus and anti-malware applications and software. There are a ton of reputable software out there. Just remember, unfortunately, nothing is invincible when it comes to security breach. Thank you so much, my dear friend, for voicing your opinion, because I'm sure there was someone else that may have had that question as well. Make sure you guys always leave a comment because I'm always giving shout outs and answering questions. One last thing, please follow my good friend Verena Travels. She has an amazing page. I watch her videos every time she posts. I'm always leaving a comment and supporting her. We support each other. So please go check out her page, subscribe, hit the like button and the notification bell. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you would like me to go more in depth with any of these apps, or if there are any apps that you personally find useful, please leave a comment below. But please remember that these apps are only my top 10 most useful and convenient apps. Please see my previous video for my top 10 essential apps.